Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
I'm Christina Banerjee, and today we're going to be actually making some stuff for Father's Day. So I'm the mother of a very active 1.5-year-old. So today we're going to be making a surprise for his dad for Father's Day. The first thing that we want to do is we're going to mix equal parts water and acrylic paint. So what you need to do, whatever color you choose, only do one color per bottle. So start out with a little bit of water at a time, just because you don't want it to get so diluted. So this is about equal parts paint to water. So I'm gonna just let that set to the side. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually tie the shirt. So I'm gonna put the shirt flat. I'm gonna move it towards me like this. And it's gonna be like an accordion fold. So I'm going to just fold it once like this. Pull the sleeve back. So just like you would fold a fan, like with a piece of paper. I wanna hold it so I don't lose that fold. And then I'm just going to just put the rubber bands all the way down in equidistant spots. So I have 1, 2, 3. You want to try and use about 5 just so you get a nice pattern in there. So now that it's ready, I'm going to move it inside the box itself. I'm going to move it over like this. I'm going to give my paint water a little bit more of a shake. And then you're going to need to spray it from all sides. So do a little test. All right, now that's ready. I'm going to just keep spraying, and you need to spray generously. I like how this is going to do a splatter effect to it too, which will look cool. And just rotating back and forth like I did at the beginning. It will get pretty saturated, but we will hang this up to dry. So make sure you have a hanger and an area that you can dry it in, but don't dry it in the sun because the direct sunlight will fade the color. I'm just untying it. I'm keeping the rubber bands in the box as of right now, just because I don't want to get the color on a different surface. Now this shirt I started out with was light blue, so it'll be light blue and purple. So now, I'm going to unravel it. And there you have it, a pretty cool striped t-shirt. So I'm going to hang this up later. I'm just going to put this right here so it can dry so you can see it. And this is our Father's Day example. Bye, I'll see you next time.